advanced deep tissue. Deep tissue is a form of massage that focuses on releasing the deeper myofascial restrictions of the deeper muscles, tendons and ligaments of the body. When using these techniques on your clients, always remember to work with the correct pressure for your client. This will mean checking in regularly and adjusting the pressure as necessary. And now the therapist will perform the IT band technique. Placing the hand just above the popliteal fossa over the IT band and locking in with the elbow on her hip, she will then push through, working slowly up the IT band. The pressure is coming from the hip, moving the hand in a superior direction. This technique can also be applied when the client is in the supine position. Raising the client's leg to approximately 90 degrees and then taking the knee in a circular motion 3 times in one direction and then pausing and reversing the technique. And then sliding underneath the shoulders towards the spine and then curling your fingers up towards the occipital ridge and gently pulling. The therapist will now demonstrate in the air the technique that she is performing.